thinking.
We decided to play the string power chords together game where it was starting on the heavy Bs.
What are we going to do for dipoles? Or is somebody going to get...
Cliff went to get them.
I may have caught my finger between the sledgehammer and the stake. Put ice in it.
On there. Did it help?
Oh yeah.
Well, yeah, try to get it over here because we need the distance. No, we're good.
I'll grab your spool.
Yeah, we'll try that one. You ready? Cameraman?
You're good.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for the breeze to, or you know what, I'll give a little Kentucky wind. I need more air at the end. Well, you know what? Kept us from pulling on it while
How much time before we start operating? Where's our operators?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. We need operators on sideband, CW. We got to sign up for it. We don't need to sign up. Just need somebody to sit down. Sit down. Don't sign up.
Already looks fancy.
Need a CW operator, quick.
Sure, it sounds like you. 1 minute.
One every 6 hours.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Field Day.
Hello CQ, CQ Field Day. Whiskey Zero, Sierra, Romeo, Charlie calling CQ Field Day from Echo Mike 48. URZ standing by. CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day. This is Whiskey Zero, Sierra, Romeo, Charlie calling CQ Field Day from Echo Mike 48. QRZ is standing by. Whiskey Zero, Mike Alpha, good afternoon. Please copy 2 Alpha, Missouri, 2 Alpha, Mike Oscar.
Spent some time with Craig already. Get started.
Roger, 3 Alpha, Missouri. Thank you. Good luck.
Eric's going to have to contact us.
Yours at Field Day from Whiskey Zero, Sierra, Romeo, Charlie. Hello, Larry. Kilo Zero Tango Papa Papa from Whiskey Zero, Sierra, Romeo, Charlie. Please copy 2 Alpha, Missouri. Over.
Whiskey Zero, Sierra, Romeo, Charlie.
Now, when you're contesting, you have to be a little more aggressive and less polite. It's not about.
It's not about contesting, no.
No, it is. It is. It is.
That's not our primary purpose.
Issue. Well, that's
Ever. It's
No.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, next year it'll be more. Yeah, it's hitting hard. Now you're in the, well, I guess it doesn't matter. You're in the digital voice area of the band. 233, 230, 237, that's all in the digital voice band.
But it was plugged in all the way to change the frequency. That makes sense. Now, it's just, I don't think that plugs very solid.
Tell you a funny story if I would tell you. This is the business end of what we're making. Okay. Now, here is the deal. I can roll this antenna up in its entirety to be about that big. And I can easily put the antenna in my pocket. I can carry this on an airplane. If I'm going someplace, I pack my HT and my luggage, put this on my luggage, I can legally carry this. I have to see that the end is loose and not attached to the radio. The radio has to have the battery packed off. You understand all this stuff, right? Okay. So I unroll this thing out and I cheat. And I openly admit that I cheat, because I'm lazy. This is my emergency antenna that I take with me. Okay? This is a cane fishing pole. I unwind it and I have it taped onto the top end of a cane fishing pole. This gives me 12 foot up in the air, and I have little rubber duckies. You think maybe that gives me a little bit better performance out of my radio? Okay? So I openly admit to how, and what that usually means is that it gets hard after a while, it breaks and breaks the wires, blah, blah, blah. So I believe in using the more barbaric approach. Now, if you notice here, I'm going to actually wrap my coax at the same time at the end of the antenna. What did I just do there? Did I just make it so that I'm bearing some of the weight from the antenna on there? Now, can I, at this point, tape that up? Yes, you can. But, okay, what happened to the plastic set? We have... And... I need to slow down because I don't not clearly quite this barbarian. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm really going to cover this so I know that that will not suck in water. Now I'm going to ask you a question. Which way do I wrap this to make sure it doesn't soak in water? Why did I ask that question?